has dropped an amazing AI tool called Gemini 3. This has got some insane use cases. It's far better than ChatGPT, Claude, or any other tool in the market. Now, I'm Sanil. Today, we're gonna use and watch a lot of use cases on Gemini 3, which are amazing, that can unlock a lot of potential from you. So guys, let's get started. For accessing Gemini, you need to go to gemini.google.com. Okay, now let's first look at an amazing use case. This is where I'm trying to build a social media app for the Gen Z, right? And I write the GTM strategy, defensibility, requirements, and think like a founder, okay? And there you go, the magic begins. You get the answer, right? This is a complete blueprint if you really want, right? It got network effects, the canvas lock-in, the GTM strategy, the target that you need to look at, right? The watermarking and all of that. This is amazing, folks. This is kind of a deep dive into it. Okay, now let's look at another use case. And here I've given a prompt, right? Hey, teach me how a car engine works, right? And give me a visual diagram, or rather visually I need to see how things are happening, a simulator kind of thing, right? And there you go. It has already given me how an engine works with a video, and there you go. Here it has given me, and this is very good, folks, if you want to teach your children as to how really things work, whether it's an engine, a motor, or a clock, and you can control your speed here as well, right? Isn't this amazing? I think, imagine to teach a kid on how a simulator works. You can create on the fly, folks. This is unreal. Okay, moving on the next use case. I've given a use case based on the following image. You can plug in any of the image that you want, create a 3D illustrative voxel art scientific, and create a 3J script, right? There you go, folks. This is how you can create, and this is amazing for architects. This is amazing. You can see a 3D video, possibly bring a car. All right, you've also got a code here, and you've got a preview, okay? Now, folks, now let's move on the next piece of amazing case. And this is really good, folks. A lot of us Indians have trouble speaking in English, right? What if I tell you Google Gemini has a personal coach that gives you a significant kind of a coach that teaches you English and tells you where you're going wrong, okay, and with video. So let's try that out.
Session started. I'm listening.
Good evening. There's a script, there's a video there. Good evening. Today I want to talk about the power of communication. It's bridge between confusion and clarity. When we speak with intent, we can change the minds. Pause for a moment, think about the last speech, truly motivate you. All right. There you go. Your page was too fast. Aim for 120 words. How many words? Good energy. Everything, folks. And this is just one use case. Imagine you can create a use case for your own interview. And that is going to tell you a very similar approach on how you really improve. It's like a video coach and an audio coach, plus a detailed description on how you were when you speak. Now let's move on the next amazing, unreal use case, right? Imagine you're swimming, you're playing cricket, your kids are playing badminton, and you want to know how they're doing. So just take a video of it and put it on YouTube, or maybe you can just upload it here. For references, I've taken this bowling, right? This guy is doing a bowling, all right, and I have told Gemini to coach it, to critique it, and tell us how things are. And there you go, folks. Isn't this unreal? It is telling you exact the ball speed, you should follow through the direction. It's telling that balance is at fault line, the drift is not good, and so on and so forth. This is your personal coach. Imagine the use cases that one could build on this, right? It's like something was shadowing you and helping you to improve in various aspects of life. Even as a public speaking, if you can create your video and upload it here, and it will exactly tell you how and where to improve. I hope you like my video. Now, if you really like my video, just pick up one use cases that I showed you and try to build on it. Share, like, and subscribe to my channel as well. I'll be keep on posting such amazing AI videos and cyber videos. Until next time, this is Sanil signing off.